Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video I will show you how you can download and install the CapCut video editor on your computer, for example on your Windows 10 or 11 desktop computer really quickly. So let's get started. It is mind-blowingly simple, guys. It is free and you don't need to visit any stores for that, like for example the Microsoft Store or the App Store. And installing CapCut on a computer is actually a matter of a few clicks. So to get started, head over to CapCut, log into your account. As you probably know, you can access CapCut through your web browser and work on your video projects there. But alternatively, guys, you can also download CapCut on your computer, and you can do that by clicking on that icon here in the upper right corner once you're signed in to your account here on CapCut.com to download the installation launcher on your computer. Wait for a second, and once the installation launcher has been saved and downloaded on your computer, head over to your output folder and run the installation from there. So let me do that really quickly. And yeah, CapCut will launch the installation automatically. Wait for the installation to be finished to get to 100%. That may take a few moments, but it shouldn't last longer. The installation shouldn't last longer than a minute, I'd estimate. So let my computer finish the installation process and I'll see you guys in a second. There you go. And once the installation has been finished, CapCut will run a short test to see if your computer meets the technical requirements and if CapCut can work smoothly and flawlessly on your computer. There you go, CapCut can run on my computer smoothly according to that information here. And once that's done, you will be given the opportunity to sign into your account here on CapCut and to work on your first video project by clicking on that button, and that will redirect you to the video editing tool here on CapCut so that you may use its video making and editing features offline on your desktop computer without accessing it through your web browser. And that's basically it, guys. Thanks for watching and have a great day.